कल कौन सी गाड़ी दिखाई थी, आज कौन सी गाड़ी है? आज कौन सी गाड़ी खलील दिखा रहा है? शो मी यू गॉट अ बिग जीप. अलग दा जीप पैदा करे दे इनको एक जीप मिला हुआ है. कहाँ से? You got that from London, yeah? It's been gifted by one of the guys, my colleagues, when I was working with them. I got gift करे दे to you. दा खो सनम दे देता सवाई Brutus off the road, Brutus off road. The remote control tower करे दे, and this is the what you call a dump truck. Remote control chatale, remote you lost it.
No, he didn't.
And look, you got a shovel here, a smaller one. The other part, so what is that for? If your Jeep is stuck, yeah. Come see stuck show if your Jeep is stuck in desert safari in Dubai. Kala zi Dubai ta Khalil, kala zi Dubai ta. But you got enough desert safari option in Qatar, where you are living today. No, Qatar ke this option is why you are worried about desert going to Dubai. This one is going to fall. Dar tawliq Khalil. When it is fallen, then you need a forklift to lift it up. But look, you need an extra fork for it.
Another foot here. And extra.
That's dear heavy there, Khalil. This is going to, you're going to have a crash. Now see, if you are going M25, London Orbital Road, be very, very careful, man. Police guys, their own traffic officers are there. They will not taking any excuse for poor driving. Poor driving, no excuse at all.
Now this way. Now what? More cars.
You're going to break it.
No.
How many you can fix dear? सोने fix की गया देखिए. 3 cars, 3 गाड़ी दगा जे fixed वाल 3 गाड़ियाँ, छोटे cars, smaller cars are being fixed. 2 more dear can be fixed. Okay, do it. 2 उधर डाल दो. एक छोटी सी कार उधर आएगी. एक छोटा कार. I don't know how do you say that in Urdu. एक उड़ के मोटर बंद दगा देखिए राश हाँ. ये उड़ के मोटर आलता राजी.
Or I put it.
You put it wrong?
Yeah.
I like how you are going to school day after tomorrow. So okay, you're off from
No.
You are not going to school tomorrow. You're off. So you have time tonight.
Tomorrow.
Huh?
I will go 2 days.
No, you have 2 days off.
School.
Yeah. So one day today,
And 2 days is my birthday.
one more.
2 days is my birthday.
Khada, okay. Wrap it up, clean everything, put it back, and we'll make another video tomorrow, right? Basti, that's enough for tonight.
Okay.
For today, I should say. Okay? Sababa munga da hamdan zai ta zo da aka gari boguru. Okay, agi bani video jo. Huh? Salim wala ba sababa ko, hamdan wala ba day after tomorrow ko. Okay? Okay, let's wrap it up. Say goodbye to the guys watching you on YouTube, on Twitter. No, not Twitter, on TikTok, if they are. So, okay, Khode Paman. Bye-bye.